24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano most certainly is drifting at $141,963,330, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. ADA fundamentally acquired roughly 2.74% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Cardano's EMA10 essentially shows a sort of descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 6.59%. 01 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What truly is genuinely transient cost expectation for Cardano really is ADA a sort of wise speculation, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth, which generally is genuinely critical. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the really current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,081,218,746,604, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The very all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $28,380,033,012, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, in a real sense, let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%. Which especially is genuinely huge. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,093.06 level after a vertical development of 0.13%, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.43%, coming to $1,672.26 during the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.90, following a value change of 0.89% within a similar time period, which especially is very critical. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents in a kind of huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for sort of present moment, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.90, following a value change of 0.89% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a general extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Cardano support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.90, following a value change of 0.89% within a similar time period, which truly is genuinely huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become kind of additional in every practical sense, dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in every practical sense, enormous way. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers certainly become move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly is very huge. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA, Cardano execution ADA in every way that really matters, has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 2.74% in by and large most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The ongoing worth of Cardano by and large is drifting at 26 cents, with the exchanging volume of $141,963,330 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, so Cardano's EMA10 basically shows a kind of descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely by and large market cap for ADA most certainly is $9,155,925,296 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 6.59% throughout the week, fundamentally further appearance how Cardano support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 01 October 2023. Inside a genuinely day-to-day time period by and large made sense of underneath, showing how support generally is a level at which purchasers truly become significantly more exceptionally dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to explicitly break down the future development of the Cardano. Exhibiting how the really generally market cap for ADA basically is $9,155,925,296 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 6.59% throughout the week, extremely further appearance how Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, which certainly is very huge. The ADA United States dollar moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer by and large, is showing a present moment in a real sense, sell in every practical sense, signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath really signal line which in a real sense implies generally bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, or so they fundamentally thought. While ADA's Williams %R pointer generally is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal sort of is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that 01 October 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what really is transient cost expectation for Cardano, sort of is ADA, an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and for the most part is attempting to fundamentally break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, especially further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano certainly is drifting at $141,963,330, or so they in a real sense thought. The Cardano especially has truly break all its really upholds levels and things sort of are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, which generally is genuinely huge. At present, sort of bears most certainly are in charge of the market and effectively basically take ADA cost underneath the pivotal help level of 35 cents, so XRP the fundamentally local coin of XRP basically is somewhere around 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents in a very significant manner. There truly had been a truly sure pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will sort of proceed with its vertical development as